Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems like this composite function derivatives are actually simple if you follow the chain rule correctly. Let's solve for h' of 1 together. First, we apply the chain rule to h of x equals f of g of 2x. This gives us f prime of g of 2 times g prime of 2. Next, we look at the graph of g to find the value of g of 2 and the slope g prime of 2. At x equals 2, g is 0. Finally, find f prime of 0 from the graph. Multiplying these values leads directly to our final result of 8. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given graphs to check steps for option D.